cylinder. This is a tippler cylinder. It is made by hydrogen gas. It is inexhaustible. I made this cylinder with the help of casting soda, foil paper and 1 teaspoon liquid hard water. When I melt in these things to make casting soda and make this hydrogen gas. It is inexhaustible because it is when it is keeps in our touch of our surrounding air. Our air is made by mainly hydrogen and oxygen gas. When its molecules connect with the helium, it fuses the helium molecules into hydrogen molecules. So it makes inexhaustible. I will show you a demo.
बोलते जाओ करके।
See? It is because hydrogen gas pops and this is filled by hydrogen gas. Thank you.